What if you can own property in one of Belize's most western and peaceful towns? Guys, Gian Rivera here with Luna Realty today, and today I want to bring you a brand new listing in the town of Benque Viejo del Carmen. Want to take a look at it? Follow me. This home is a large roughly about 1,200 square feet home, and it's a 2-bed, 2-bath property with an extended area that can work as an office. It's a large home and it's an empty canvas, so if you're someone that loves designing and want to put your own personal touch to the home, this might just be the right fit for you. You're just minutes from San Ignacio, close to the Guatemalan border and right near the famous Xunantunich Maya site, one of Belize's most incredible historic landmarks. It's peaceful, authentic, and perfect for anyone looking to enjoy a more relaxed Belize lifestyle. If you want to learn more about this gorgeous home, feel free to reach out at the information in the description below, or my email should be popping up somewhere here, and I look forward to hearing from you guys. See you in the next one. Bye.